is Officer Rodriguez. We've got a major issue on Highway 101. A section of the road has collapsed, and traffic is at a standstill. We need your construction team to respond immediately.
Jake from Redwood Construction, on it. Heading to the site now. We'll update on progress.
Appreciate it, Jake. Keep us posted. We need that road fixed fast. Jake here. We're on site at the collapsed section of Highway 101. What's the status?
It's a mess, Jake. Looks like a sinkhole. We'll need heavy machinery to clear.
Let's work efficiently, but remember, safety protocols in place at all times. I'll check back in shortly.
Will do, Jake. We're on it.
Trailer broke down on Highway 101, near exit 15. Axles snapped. Need a mechanic urgently.
Mike from Rapid Repairs. On my way. Safety first. I'll be there in 20. I see the issue. Let me assess the damage and get to work. We'll have this sorted in no time.
Great, Mike. We appreciate the quick response. We've got a tight schedule here.
I'll do my best. I'll update you on the progress. Stay safe, and let me know if you need anything else.